Good morning and welcome to the kingdom. Today we are going to see if we can make $200 today. The market is opening in less than a minute. This hit my line up here, so I should have took it, but I was waiting for the market to open, see what happens. I'm looking for this thing to drop. Just like the Dow just did. And the market is not even open 1 minute before. Amazing drop right there. Next candle is the market open. There it is. We are open. Let's see what we're going to do. NASDAQ blew past it. Dow, I'm going in. I'm doing my 4 contracts. I'm in at 4 contracts. I didn't get a chance to do the NAS, but that's where the money would have been made. Blew way past it. So what I'm going to do, down $1,000, so I'm buying 4 more. It could hit 370 on the Dow. Let me draw this line here, and then I'm going to get back in it again. Well, that's 375. I think it could be. And let's do 375. I'm going to go 8 more then. Hit the line in reverse. Look at that. Nice reversal. Nice reversal. If it comes back to 375, I'm going back in. NASDAQ does not know which way to go, but it looks like it's going on an uptrend. NASDAQ's up 100 points. We could have played this volatility. Buy the 180s. There we go. We're up 280. We're up 4. Let's get out of here for a profit. We're already made our 200. 360. We made $360 in 4 minutes. You had 2 different levels I was looking at. 1, 2. It broke my first level, touched the second level, got in, made $360 in less than 5 minutes. Let's keep this going and see what we come up with. But what I would do is I would get out and be done. But just for content's sake, let's see if we can pull off anything else. Now we're going to scalp all day. This thing is taking off. Look at it. NASDAQ taking off, so we're going to sell to 815. Let's see what we can come up with. Look at that. This was my bottoming. Oh my God. On a 1 minute, look at that. Switch it up to a 5 minute. Unbelievable. Hitting the first line. That's a 100-point swing we could have made. We got to get this thing down to 810s. Beautiful move that we caught. $360 on the day, less than 5 minutes. Still going. I got out down here. I should have kept it in for one more candle. But oh well. That is a total breakout on this. $36. I'm going to sell 2 more. It is not stopping whatsoever. Up 150 points now. We're going to go in 4 more. One minute we're looking at the 830s. 815 would be perfect. I want to give it to this next 5-minute candle. There we go. Let's close out of this and get out. We're up 750. There's the 13. 50. Man, slippage. 1100. 1150. Should have kept it in a little bit longer, but I said the 15s. I called the 15s, and we're at the 15s right now. Oh my God. Well, we're up 1,500 on the day. 10 minutes in. $1,500. Still dropping, fell into the 800s. It literally fell into the 800s. I said give it this one last 5-minute candle, which it's about to hit in a minute. Can't believe this went to the 800s. I called it up here, said it was going to hit the 15s. That was a nice call out. Let's call it a day. 10 minutes in, $1,500. That's how we do it on this side of the kingdom, the real side of the kingdom. Like this video if you found it interesting. If you want to learn more, you can always reach out to me. If you're a believer in the Most High, I don't care what your faith is. If you're a believer, Christian, Muslim, or Jew, you're called to be a blessing to the people who God puts in your path. In order to be a blessing, you don't always need money. You can always help in other different ways. But in this economy, in this time we're living in, most likely you can help somebody financially. But you can't do it if you're poor or broke. You're going to need resources. The church asks you for money every week. But when you see someone right around your neighborhood or in your family who needs something, you always turn a blind eye and claim you don't have nothing. But how about we fix that? How about we're blessed to be a blessing? So let me teach you how to be blessed through a business, because I am a business owner, and through the stock market, because I am a stock investor. We just made $1,500 in 10 minutes. Where are you going to do that on a job? Something to think about. If you look at my other videos, I'm making $200, $300, $400 in 2 minutes, in 5 minutes. Where else are you going to do this? And I'm here to teach you how to do it. You see how it rejected? This is where we bought down here. Rejected off. This is a 1 minute. Came up here, rejected off that. Nice turnaround, broke the line. So it's probably going down. There's a 5 minute. It looks like it wants to stay above that line. I should buy it again just to see. Just to see if we get a quick pop. See how it wants to pop this to 5 minute. Once I buy it, it's probably going to fall further. It's a good buy. Because the next candle is in another minute. I did not want to get back into this. I'm very comfortable with my 1,500. I do not see this falling any further. I did not want to get into this. No, I did not. Let's see if we can make anything and get out. Yeah, we got to pop above this blue line here. It is possible. All right, I'm going to take my $60 and run just to get up out of it. Oh, I guess not. I couldn't get out. But it looks like it's forming a base. Nope. False breakout. This thing is going down. So I guess this stream's going to be a lot longer than expected. On the 5 minute, we got 3 wicks that is trying to break here. So I'm going to short this. Yeah, I'll probably be on the safe side shorting this. If it breaks over these right here, if it breaks over 45, I'm in trouble. We're going to add another, we're up 580. I think this can go back down, but let's just get out, take our profit. $800, another 800 on that. So if I just close out of this 800, that would bring me to even. I really want to just close out this 800 and then bring me to even. That's what I want to do. Adding that 800 on here, we're up $2,300. 2,300. Yeah, I'm gonna buy 4 more. Let me buy 4 more right there. I don't know how much further this can fall. So all I have to do is, if I can get back up to that black line, I'm good. Another time, I called this to go further. I don't know why I don't stay in these longer. Okay, we're getting out of this just to get out. 8 contract. Oh, come on. I need over 100. There you go. $500. Another 500. $2,800 in 20 minutes. 2,800 in 20 minutes. This is the kingdom. Now get out there and create a kingdom business.